Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the perfect wall sconces to make my boho bedroom dreams come true.
These are the most beautiful set of two wall sconces from XSDeTu, and I love how easy these were. You put them together so simply, and I really love how unique these look with the cord wrapping around the pole, and they just hang so beautifully on the sides of my bed. They are really exactly what I was looking for. They are a perfect match to my curtains, which I honestly wasn't even expecting. They make me so happy. I really love the quality of these and how they just plug in so easy. There's no wiring that you have to do. So you can really just put these anywhere you're looking to just add a little bit of texture and light to your home. And I am so in love with these lights.
These sconces have just completed my oasis feel in my bedroom. They make it feel so cozy and luxurious. I am completely obsessed with them, and that is my point of view.